Okay, hello. Super sunny Sunday, bank holiday weekend. I've got a new motor to put in my BRX02 6x6 big truck. I've been running a brush setup in there, which I love. I'm a big fan of brush motors in crawlers. It's a 35 ton heavy duty Tech-in old school motor in there. It's actually been fine tuned by a friend of mine and it runs lovely, but I'm really keen to see how the brushless options allow me to drive smoother, slower. So got a big motor to make it go slower. But I haven't actually opened it yet. It's completely brand new in the sealed box. I thought I'd ask my lovely daughter to film me opening it, just so we can do the quickest unboxing in the history of RC products, because I can't imagine there being much in the box, because this is a 2-in-1 system, which is the motor with the speed controller built into it. So get that open and we'll have a look. I've already got the program card to help me set it up. Another friend of mine, Musku RC, sent me that a while ago, so thank you to Musku for that. Hopefully he's still playing with RC cars and stuff. I see online, but yeah, this is a new toy for me, this one is. So let's have a look, see if I can get it out. Ooh. Oh, there you go, look at that, that's nice, isn't it? So yeah, so this is a 2-in-1, so hopefully, let me take this out of here, you're going to see that it's not only got the motor, but it's also got the power switch, and it's got the battery connector, and that's all running into a really nice compact can. So the motor itself kind of runs to here. This end piece is the speed control unit. This is the Hobbywing. This is the 2300. It's the Fusion PRO SE. Is it? No, the Pro Elite side. The SE is the 1800 one, which is a favourite of people who drive crawlers. Initial thoughts, it's got lots of mounting holes, which is nice because it means you can kind of position where the motors are going to be facing in the engine bay. The fact that it doesn't have a speed controller means when you're working on chassis that don't have a lot of space under them, you know, that's a big benefit straight away. Apart from that, what else is in here? Cable ties, little extension. I'm guessing that's going to be for actually plugging the program card into and setting it up. And you've got your manual, double-sided sticky tape. Oh, and some nice neon Hobbywing stickers. Can't go wrong with a bit of neon pink. It's pretty awesome. Those who know me know I like my daft colours. And then you've got your 2-in-1 speed control, and you've got all the program settings in there, which I'll be playing with later. I will do another video when I've actually got it all installed and I've had a go at setting it up and how to play with it. But I just thought I'd open the box in front of the camera now. Quick run, Fusion PRO Elite, Hobbywing 2300, new motor. Happy days. Hope you're all having a good Sunday. Over and out. Peace.